If you are serious about building a brand or starting from zero, and as a result, no audience, no engagement, rather than build a community that grows itself, meet Forumax,
the ultimate forum management plugin, featuring a unified forum builder and an all-in-one dashboard to effortlessly create, manage, and monitor user activities. It comes with a clean dashboard that lets you view your forum overview at a glance, along with quick action shortcuts for faster management. It includes a beautiful analytics overview dashboard where users can get a snapshot of their forum's performance, helping to improve user engagement. The Forumax settings panel allows you to fully customize your forums with ease. You can easily set the default position of the forum sidebar from here. From the forum topic settings, you can customize the title prefix of your topic titles and enable solved topics and auto-close stale topics for users and moderators. You can enable reactions so users can engage with your topics. Additionally, it includes a topic voting system and built-in sharing features. Real-time alert enables a live notifications bubble when a new replies or topic are posted in real time. From the topic reply settings, you can enable Ajax replies and allow media insertion for custom images in the editor. You can also enable features like auto-approval, replies with attachments, private replies, and anonymous replies. Additionally, nested replies can be enabled so users can respond directly to specific replies. From the user details settings, you can customize the design of user profiles. There is a voting feature for both topics and replies, allowing users and viewers to easily gauge engagement levels. You can enable attachments for topic replies and configure the attachment requirements and related settings. You can add a mini user profile that displays a brief overview of their recent activities. You can also enable notifications to stay updated with the latest activities. You can use shortcodes to access features directly. Additionally, a chat option can be enabled, allowing users to communicate with each other within topics or replies. You can enable chat assistants to reply to any users in chat. You can enable social login, allowing users to sign in using their preferred social platforms. You can enable gamification to activate a points, badges, and achievements system for your forum.